Hi everyone, I'm Gabriela Rosenblau and I'll be your instructor for the Neurobiology course at Georgetown University. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Psychological and Brain Sciences at George Washington University, and I'm also affiliated with the Autism and Neurodevelopmental Disorder Institute there. My research combines computational and neuroscientific methods to really get at the cognitive mechanisms. And what I mean by that is to really understand how we think and how we behave. And I'm particularly interested in understanding social interactions. I study development, I study humans over the course of development, and I really focus also on adolescence because it's a very important period of brain development. I'm very interested in understanding or helping to improve diagnosis and treatment for clinical disorders, and I specialize on autism spectrum disorder. In terms of my scientific or my career background, I have done much of my academic training in Germany, more specifically in Berlin, where I earned my undergrad and also my graduate degree. So I've completed graduate degree in psychology. And then I shifted gears a little bit in my PhD and did a PhD in social and affective neuroscience, also at the Freie University in Berlin. And after earning my PhD, I came to the US. I accepted a fellowship by the Yale Medical School and completed my postdoctoral training under the mentorship of Kevin Pelfrey, who is an expert in autism research. And this was all before joining the faculty at George Washington University. And so there I've been, focusing on my research in the lab, but also on teaching. And I taught many courses that are very important for the pre-med track. So for people who want to go to medical school, such as biological psychology, which basically teaches you various aspects of neuroscience, pretty similar to what we will be doing at Georgetown. And I kind of want to adopt a similar style with you all. So I want you to really, get to the knowledge yourself. So I want you to have an active role and in sort of researching knowledge, but also in getting an insight into what we do as researchers, as brain researchers, by also sort of joining my lab and doing sort of a practical demonstration there. So I would like you to adopt this research attitude because, as researchers, we don't believe something is true. We always question, we always want to improve the status quo. We really live by the motto that all models are wrong, but some are useful. So you have to find out which model is useful, which model can help you understand something better, or diagnose something better, cure a certain disease. This is what we do as researchers. And I really would like you, as a result of this course, to have more of a research mindset and more knowledge about the brain and why studying the brain is so important for understanding human behavior in all its different shapes and forms. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on campus in Georgetown.